Top 3 best ways to earn money online in Pakistan without investment, 2023. 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Whether you are a writer, designer, programmer, or marketer, there are various opportunities to find clients and work on projects remotely. 2. Content creation on social media. Utilize popular social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube to create engaging content. As your following grows, you can earn money through brand sponsorships, ad revenue, and collaborations. 3. Online teaching. Share your knowledge and expertise by becoming an online tutor or instructor. You can teach subjects, languages, or even skills like cooking or playing musical instruments through platforms like Udemy or Teachable.